Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. Hope maximum people have booked profit today after watching my yesterday's analysis video. So, see what I have discussed in yesterday's video. CPR I have discussed. If it's a wider CPR or a average CPR, then we won't have any trend. As we see, we had a very good gap up open and it sustained the gap up, but it was in a range only. Then anyhow it has closes higher where what the high it has made above that. uh, but due to this average CPR, it was in a range bound. So let's check the Nifty also. See, in Bank Nifty it was a narrow CPR. As I discussed yesterday, narrow CPR is a trending day. So it was a trending day. See, so if you have taken the trade after 9:30, if you have went long on this candle and you have kept the stop loss here, okay, so you would have made a very good profit. See, if you have purchased somewhere 39,850 also in this candle closing also, if you have purchased and if you have kept the stop loss here, or you can keep the stop loss here also, then you'd have made a very good profit. So this is the magic of CPR. So let's check what the big player are planning for tomorrow. So and one more thing, from few days I was telling in my videos 40,000 is easily achievable in Bank Nifty. To it was achieved today, 40,200 it was achieved today. So it was a good day. Now let's check the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big players are planning. So today the FIF have booked the loss in options. So in option index contracts input they were holding 2,64,000 contracts. So they have reduced the puts today by 1 lakh, almost 1 lakh contracts. So they have booked the loss here, but still holding 1,58,000 contracts input. And in call they were holding 1,26,000 contracts in call. Now they have reduced the call also by 29,000. So they booked the profit in call and huge loss in put. Let's check the future index. In future index also they have covered their shorts today by 4 percentage and increased their long by 4 percentage. So they have 24% long and 76% short. So yesterday they were holding 80% short, today they're holding 76% short. So slowly they are covering their shorts and here also covering their puts, and here we can see good cash flow. In couple of days we have seen they have pulling a good money. So they purchased for 2,913 crores today. And here no changes in future stocks. 53% long and 47% short. So hedging the positions and purchasing in cash, FII. Client are the retailers. Input they were holding 1,56,000 put writing, and today they have increased the put writing by 16,000 contracts. So they have 1,72,000 of put writing. And the good thing, the retailers booked a very good profit today. They booked hold of their call. They were holding 1,77,000 contracts, and today they have made a fresh call writing of 1,18,000 call writing, and input writing they have 1,72,000. So we can say, they believe the market will won't go anywhere. So they have hedged their positions in options, and in futures they have booked 1% profit in long. So they have 61% long and 39% short. So in future stocks they still hold 80% long and 20% short. This is positive. This is positive, and this is a hedging we can say. No view. And here they sold for 281 crores in cash. So let's check the promoters. Promoter in put they were holding 1,88,000 put writing. Now they have reduced the put writing, so they have covered their put today by 1.22 lakh. So they booked the profit in put, still holding 65,000 contracts in put writing. But in call writing, what happens? Yesterday they were holding 3 lakhs of call writing. They have unwinded this all call writing today. So yesterday only they have created 1 lakh contracts. So if in Nifty they have created 17,800 and above call writing, then they would have booked a good profit there. If they have call written beyond 17,700, then they have might booked some losses in those call writing in Nifty. Same applies in Bank Nifty also, 40,000 and above, uh, 40,000 to 40,200 of call writing, they have booked their loss. So see, we are not sure about this 3 lakh, but most probably it may have covered in loss only. So we have seen a very good rally in Bank Nifty. So this could be a Bank Nifty position only. So here they have made a fresh 21,000 of call buying today. So they become bullish now, but booked a good loss, we can say here. So let's check future index. They have reduced the long, so they have booked this profit by 2% and increased the short by 2%. So 53% short they have and 47% long. So this loss they have covered in this, we can say 2%. And in stock future also, see what happened. They have reduced 1% long, so they have 68% long and 32% short now. Here they purchased for 214 crores. This is a good number. So what promoter is stating here, see they are bullish only, but they this is a very light quantities, we can say, and here booking the profit, and this is a equal numbers in call and short, no directional views, positive but less quantities, positive only in future stocks, and good cash flow buying. So we can say neutral to hedging to a positive note. So DII today sold for 212 crores and FII today purchased for very good number 2913. So total figure in cash was 2633 crores in positive. Very good number. This has dragged the market higher today. And also the short covering. Yesterday, as I discussed, there could be a short covering if market open gap up and it has sustained. So we can see the short covering in Bank Nifty. But Nifty was traded in a very small range, we can say. So coming days, Bank Nifty has a more potentials and we can see a 41,000 of levels coming very soon. So let's come to PCR. Nifty today was 1.15 and month end it is 1.37, and Bank Nifty today was 1.41 and month end it is 1.12. So see, as per the PCR, Nifty should be has to go high, but Bank Nifty it is almost at higher level only. So people will book the profit at 1.5 and above, and Bank Nifty has more potentials to go higher. And for month end it is 1.37, so it is almost at higher levels only. And for Bank Nifty it is 1.12. So see what PCR is stating. PCR is telling market is positive only, but for selling, Bank Nifty stocks are good to sell now, and Nifty stocks are good to purchase now. Now means coming 1 week only. And what the month end is stating that uh, by the month end we can book the profit in Nifty, and in Bank Nifty we can, if you purchase now, we can hold till the month end. So this is what the PCR is stating. So anyhow, the PCR is very much positive, I can say as of now. So good move has to come from Bank Nifty. So let's check what happened today. Gap up opened and was traded in a very small range only, we can say. But Bank Nifty was very much positive, rallied and closes beyond 40,000. So this is a good number, it has closed. So let's check the global market. Nasdaq has fallen drastically. Why it has fallen? It has fallen due to uh, I I see this weekly jobless claims drop. So this jobless claims drop, it has came just now 1 hour ago. So this could be the reason. We can see the global market is not doing good, the US market mainly, but our market is very much bullish. So that's why what FII is doing, FII he is holding a shorts in futures. We have seen these positions and these positions. They are creating this short. But good thing is they are purchasing in cash because they know cash. If they purchase the good stocks in cash, they can hold whenever they want to sell, they can sell it. So they are playing this role here, and this is also good. 53% of good stocks they are holding in future stocks, and and in coming days we can see a good all-time high in few of the banking stocks like ICICI, Axis and SDFCs. So keep an eye on the banking stocks and more trade more on banking stocks only. And we can be bullish on Bank Nifty as well. But only cautious is that you always has to track this India VIX. So India VIX today was 18, so this is very good for the option sellers. So whenever it goes beyond 2021, so keep a eye, so be cautious at that time. So that time should be of a sell-off. Mostly it has to be on a sell off only, but sometimes what will happen if there is a very good rally and the market is going higher, then also this week's India VIX also be shooting up. So either way the VIX will shoot up, so be see the market where the market is going, plan your trades and keep a eye on the global market, and this is a very good time for the traders. So we'll be getting a good scalping trade and also a positional trader as well. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked my analysis. So do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.